Step inside one of the world's largest M&M production facilities as we uncover the secrets behind these iconic candies. Those colorful chocolate treats we all know. When did you first encounter M&Ms? Perhaps decades ago during your childhood. Remember the excitement of finding them in Easter baskets or at Little League games? These bite-sized delights have become more than just candy. With global distribution across 100-plus countries and 400 million pieces made daily, they're woven into the fabric of American childhood. Join us on this fascinating exploration. Hit subscribe to continue the adventure, the birth of an icon. The M&M story begins in 1941 during World War II's tumultuous years. Forrest Mars Sr., heir to the Mars-Incas Empire, sought to develop a chocolate treat that could endure battlefield conditions. His fateful meeting with Bruce Murray, son of Hershey's president, sparked a revolutionary idea. Inspired by British soldiers' sugar-coated chocolate rations, Forrest proposed, "Let's create something similar, but better." Bruce's enthusiastic response sealed the deal. "We'll name them M&Ms, Mars and Murray, and take them worldwide," they agreed. Thus began an extraordinary confectionery journey. The partners perfected their recipe, combining Hershey's premium chocolate with an innovative protective shell. This breakthrough made M&Ms particularly valuable to troops, finally chocolate that wouldn't melt in combat gear. The sight of soldiers enjoying M&Ms became symbolic of American resilience. The brand truly came into its own by 1954 with the legendary slogan, "Melts in your mouth, not in your hand." This clever promise, combined with their vibrant colors, propelled M&Ms to global stardom, transforming them from wartime ration to cultural phenomenon. The fascinating M&M manufacturing process. What began as a simple concept has evolved into a sophisticated global operation. Today, let's go behind the scenes at the Hackettstown, New Jersey facility, responsible for producing half of all M&Ms consumed in the U.S., to discover how these iconic candies come to life. 1. Sourcing premium ingredients. The magic starts with just a few key components: rich chocolate, pure sugar, corn syrup, and vibrant food coloring. At the heart of every M&M lies sustainably sourced cocoa. Our journey begins in the lush tropical regions of Côte d'Ivoire and Indonesia, where environmentally conscious cacao farms operate under rigorous sustainability standards. Mars Incorporated has revolutionized cocoa cultivation through developing climate-resilient, pest-resistant cocoa varieties, implementing shade-growing techniques that protect delicate plants, pioneering soil conservation methods, training farmers in advanced intercropping systems. Picture these thriving farms, mature cacao trees heavy with fruit, tended by skilled growers who carefully harvest only fully ripened pods. The atmosphere buzzes with pride as workers extract and sun-dry the precious beans, the foundation of M&M's signature flavor. The impact of Mars' sustainability initiative speaks volumes. Yield increases from 500 kilograms to 1.5 tons per season. Over 300,000 supported farmers since 2012. Meticulous fermentation and drying processes that develop cocoa's complex flavor profile. 2. Chocolate alchemy. As cocoa beans arrive at the factory, an irresistible chocolate aroma welcomes us. The transformation begins in state-of-the-art melting ovens where precision is key. Beans are roasted to perfection, carefully ground into smooth paste, melted at controlled 45 to 50 degrees Celsius temperatures. Watching the molten chocolate flow is hypnotic, a shimmering river of velvety goodness. Automated molding systems then shape this liquid gold into perfectly uniform chocolate centers, each one destined to become an M&M3. Cooling and shaping. The molded chocolate pieces are then transferred to a cooling chamber to cool gradually. Stepping into the cooling chamber, you'll feel the cool air enveloping you. 4. Creating the sugar shell. Coloring and polishing. Next, we move on to creating the sugar shell. Did you know that this sugar shell not only protects but also gives M&Ms their appealing look? The chocolate pieces are placed in large rotating drums where the hard sugar shell is formed. Here, each candy is sugar-coated with a thin sugar shell, gradually adhering to the candy during the rotation process. This process is akin to creating protective armor for the candy, preventing it from melting and maintaining its attractive shape. The sugar shell is sprayed in multiple layers, each layer drying before the next is applied until the desired thickness is achieved. This process takes about 2 to 3 hours, ensuring the sugar shell adheres tightly to the chocolate inside. The next step is coloring the candies. Did you know that each M&M's candy goes through a meticulous coloring process to achieve its bright, distinctive color? Food coloring is sprayed onto each candy through modern spray machines. Here you'll see the candies rolling evenly on the conveyor belt, being coated with vibrant colors. Each color not only catches the eye, but also complies with strict FDA food safety standards. After coloring, the candies are polished to achieve a smooth, glossy surface. This polishing process adds an additional protective layer, ensuring M&Ms always look perfect until they reach consumers. 5. Printing the M and packaging. A distinctive feature of M&Ms is the M printed on each candy. Batches of candy of the same color are mixed together to form a combination of red, yellow, blue, green, brown, and orange. Then the candies are sent to the printing machine to have the M printed on their surface. A special conveyor belt moves each candy into its own slot. As the candies pass under the rubber rollers, the M is printed on each one without cracking the candy shell. This process is similar to offset printing. Approximately 2.6 million M&Ms are printed each hour. Up to 100 million M&Ms can be produced each day. An impressive number, isn't it? Finally, the M&Ms are automatically packaged into various sizes, from small individual packs to large boxes for families or events. All are strictly quality checked before leaving the factory. Did you know that each pack of M&Ms goes through thorough inspections to ensure only the best candies reach consumers? The M&Ms factory can produce and package millions of candy packs each day, meeting huge demands from all over the world. 6. Environmental protection. In addition to focusing on product quality, the M&M factory is also committed to environmental protection using sustainable ingredients like cocoa from eco-friendly farms. They apply advanced technology to reduce emissions and save energy, including solar energy systems and water conservation measures. Strict recycling and waste reduction programs help lessen the environmental impact. Mars also organizes educational programs to raise environmental awareness among employees and the community. Because this greenhouse is kind of like a factory for discovery, the science that's going on here is going to completely transform the impact that cocoa has on the climate. We truly can take the industry to the next level. We've also got a real responsibility to do this. In this greenhouse, the impact potential we have on both thriving people and a thriving planet is unbelievable. Conclusion. Thanks for exploring the M&M production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting journeys.